I'm starting with the yellow part in the middle, but if you love green more, feel free to start with the green yarn instead. Alright, so I'll begin with yellow. First, take out your yarn from the kit. This yarn is actually 2 strands twisted together, so when you take it, just align the ends. Now, take out your tapestry needle. This needle has 2 ends. The pointed end is for poking through the plastic canvas. The other end has a big eye. This eye is where we thread the yarn. Take both strands together and lay them over your finger. Place the needle's eye on top of the yarn. Gently wiggle the needle back and forth. The yarn will loop through the eye. Pull that loop through, and there you're threaded. Great. The yarn in your kit comes in one very long piece. So when you work, you'll want to cut a manageable length. About 60 to 70 centimeters is perfect, because if it's too long, it gets hard to pull through later. Got it? So go ahead and cut a piece. Now, your cut piece will have one long and one short tail. That's exactly what we want, because we'll be working with just one strand at a time. Needle threaded, then we're ready to start. Remember, the canvas has a front and back. The printed side is the front. Keep that in mind. Alright, before you dive in, I suggest watching the whole video a few times first. Get comfortable with the basic stitch, and as you work, if anything is unclear, just rewind and watch that part again. Pause as much as you need. That's the best way to learn. Now let's begin stitching. You'll see both green and yellow marked areas. You could do all yellow, skip the green, or mix them however you like. Once you get the stitch down, you can make any pattern you dream up. Sounds good? The center is a loose circle shape. Let's start stitching at the bottom edge. This is where I like to begin. You could start a bit to the left or right. Just follow the printed line and you'll be fine. Push your needle up from the back, right near the edge. You'll have a little tail of yarn at the back. Just leave it there. For now, good. Now, let me show you with a simple diagram how this stitch works. The canvas has many rows of holes. We'll work with just 2 rows at a time. Imagine we're working on these 2 rows. We go up, then down, then up again. It's like climbing a ladder with our yarn. Ready to see how this black dot is where your needle first came up? That's our starting point. Alright, we follow a simple pattern. Step 1, find the hole right next to it and go down, which is the grid next to the threading. Step 2, come up in the very next hole. Okay, let's try it together. So here's my needle coming up. That's our black dot. Now, right next to it, I go down, then in the next hole over, I come back up. That's the basic move. Down, then up. Down 1, up next to it. Gently pull the yarn through. That's 1 stitch done. Don't pull it too tight, or the stitch will look flat. We want it plump. Perfect. First stitch complete. On to the next. Now we keep going. We're on a roll. It has started. We just did steps 1 and 2. Now our yarn is here, at the new black dot. Time for 3 and 4. The pattern repeats. Find the hole diagonally down and right. Go down there, then come up, right next to where you just were. Let me show you. So from here, diagonally down, go down, then up here, find the hole in the lower right corner. Poke in, then come up right next to it. Okay, don't worry. Watch this action several times and you'll get it. Okay, let's look at the diagram. This shows us this area. You'll see red and black numbers. The black means we finished a set. Now we start the next set. Our needle is here now. We'll do 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up. Let's practice. Put the yarn down a bit so you can see clearly. Find the upper right hole. Go down, then up in the next hole over. Okay. Then for 3 and 4, go down diagonally. Then up next to it, like this. Do it again. Watch a few times. I know you can do it. Great. Now, ignore the finished stitches. Just keep climbing the ladder. Let's do 1 more. 1 down, 2 up, pull, 3 down, 4 up, pull. Again, 1 down, 2 up, pull, 3 down, 4 up, pull, pull down. That's the method. Use the diagram as a guide. Climb the stairs. Let's do 2 more sets. This part is done. So move up. Follow me. 1 down, 2 up, pull, 3 down, 4 up, pull. Again, 1 down, 2 up. Right down, 3 down, 4 up. Just like that. You're doing great. We're following this solid line. We go around this line. When we turn, we'll follow the next line. Let's continue. This is done. From its top, 1 down, 2 up. Pull, 3 down, 4 up. Pull. We'll keep going like this until we reach the top. I'll finish this section, then show you how to turn the corner. Now, there's a green area. Use your imagination. Maybe you want to switch to green here. I'll show you how to change colors next. It's the same whether you need more yarn. You can watch how it's done, then make your own green part. Okay, I'll keep going to this point, then show you how to turn. We'll fill the next area together, still go up. In fact, we are all revolving around this solid line, which means we are circling this line. To complete it, the same, we will follow this line. When we turn around, we will surround the line next to it. Okay, let's continue with this technique. Okay, this is what we have done now. From its top, first, second, up. Pull, 3 down, 4 up. Pull. Okay, we will continue to do it in this way until it reaches the adjacent square above. I'll finish this first, and then I'll teach you how to turn it around to fill in other areas. At this time, there will be a green color. You can use your imagination, and for example, I want to change the green thread here. Then you can see how to change the line next. The method of changing the thread is the same, whether you run out of this thread or you're about to add new lines, or change the color. It's the same, so you can see the part where the thread is changed later, and then make the green part you want. Okay, so I'll continue to do it until this point, and then I'll teach you how to turn. To make the next area,